Good morning, students. You have read the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go? Today we will discuss the question answer. First is, why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? What do you imagine? The poet wants to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock. कहाँ जाते हैं? Why does the poet want to know? Because he is very curious by nature. He is very eager to know about the teachers. Next question, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? Normal things. Normal people go home after work. They relax in their houses, wearing informal dress and watch TV. They live with their parents and children. Sometimes they are bad also. Normal people commit mistakes. Sometimes they are seen wearing dirty clothes also. Now see question number 1. There are 4 parts. What does he imagine about where teachers live? He imagines that his teachers live in some special place that is unknown to anyone. What they do at home? According to the poet, they do not do ordinary things like relaxing and watching TV. See the people with whom they live. He wonders if they live with their parents and children as the common people do. 4. Their activities when they were children in school. He tries to imagine if they also believed like ordinary students when they were children. Were they ever punished? He imagines that they perhaps never did anything wrong, so perhaps they were never punished in the class. Now see next question. Question number 4. Why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people think? The poet wonders because the teacher do not appear to him normal human beings. They seem to be so perfect that they cannot make the mistakes or do chores with ordinary people do. Next, question number 2. What do you think these phrases from the poem mean? Punished in the corner. What do you mean by this? The punishment imposed by the teachers to punish some of their students. Leave their greens. What do you mean by these? Greens refer to cooked green vegetable leaves. The children do not like to eat them. So students, I think you are able to understand this poem, the question answer of this poem. So students, thank you students.